let's have a look at our setup. I think our setup is pretty good. Like the bag, I sumpah I never adjust anything about the rack or the bag. It just stays like this, perfect. I think this is maybe slant a bit lah, you see. Came off to the right side, to the left side a bit lah. Maybe you have to adjust a bit. Yeah, but all in all, I think this setup is pretty great, decent. You can do this if you want to Y1 Plus, to the Y1 Plus. And you can have a look at the bar as well. Battery bar, we only use like one bar over here. But again, to be fair, it's not fully charged when I came out. Yeah, handlebar can be adjusted in terms of the height through this mounting, through this quick release over here. Let's try again. Let's try again to fold the handlebar. Okay, fun fact. Reason why I always wear gloves when I ride is because I have like sweaty palms. So that makes this there we go. So that makes folding the handlebar harder. Okay, so there it is. Once you fold it, that's how you do it lah. Right, finally able to show you guys. Just now wasn't able to show you guys. And one last thing, because this e-bike is EN14764 2005. So right now LTA is it's implementing a new regulation. Okay, they no longer can sell 2005. So all this Eco Drive for 36 volt, all of these e-bikes, they can no longer sell. It has to be 2017, conform to 2017. So again, this is 2005. I believe by the middle of this year, June, July, they cannot sell this e-bike anymore, Y1 Plus. So in the event, if you really want to get this e-bike, you only have until the, I don't know, like until the end of May, I believe, yeah, to purchase this e-bike. After May, then it's probably not available for sale anymore, unless they are able to get a 2017 EN certification. Otherwise, you will not be able to buy this e-bike. Alright, again, appreciate you guys for watching my videos. Now I'm gonna head back and have my lunch. I'm gonna go to work. Alright, and until then, I'll see you guys in the next video, in the next review, Orca e-bike and Rogi Max. This short clip is from the last episode on the top right. Click to watch it or check out one of my most updated playlists that I've selected for you. Fellow riders, see you on the streets!